How to add money to your Whatnot account. Let's get started. Start by moving into your application Whatnot. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, move into Account at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will land you on Space. Now if you want to add money, all you gotta do is head over to Payments and Shipping. Click on Add Payment Method at the very top. Choose a specific payment method that you would want to add. Let me choose PayPal for now. Click on it. Tap on Continue. Wait for a while for it to load. Now before you add the PayPal account, you have to make sure that the money is already loaded in your account. Once loaded, enter your login credential of your PayPal account. Enter your email address and the password and then tap on Confirm. Once the PayPal has been added, the money will be automatically loaded to your Whatnot app, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.